To buy USDT on Binance, simply open the Binance app. In most cases, your account will be like this. That is, you have it set on Binance Lite. So to change it from Binance Lite to Binance Pro, simply go to the top left corner and click on the image you see there. This is what indicates you have your own on Binance Lite. So to change it, just click on the switch, and now you have your account on Binance Pro. So on Binance Pro, you can clearly see P2P trading right here. Just tap on it. Accept the risk notice. And yes, this is the interface for the Binance P2P. Here, there are so many cryptos that you can buy, but the focus today is USDT. Before you go ahead to execute the transaction, there are some few key things that you need to take care of. First of all, make sure you are on buy as indicated here. The next thing is to make sure you are dealing in your country's currency to get the correct exchange rate. Another thing you need to consider is the person you are dealing with. You have to check whether the person is a verified merchant, like the case of this with this yellow badge, or the person is not verified. If the person is not verified, you will see no yellow badge after the name. One other key thing that you need to consider is the number of trades as well as the successfully completed trades. That's the percentage of successfully completed trades. Of course, the higher the better. It is also important to know the payment method the buyer accepts. In this case, it is mobile money. After you've done all these checks and you feel confident and comfortable trading with only merchant or verified accounts, then you can go to filter, scroll down, and select only show as from merchant. This will give you adverts from only verified merchants. Now that you've been able to do all these checks, let's go ahead and click on buy. Once you click on the buy, you should see the current rate as well as the actual limit of the buyer. Now let's assume you want to buy 200 cedis. So you just input 200 cedis right here. Immediately you will see that the minimum is 15,000. That is because this buyer only accepts a minimum of 15,000 Ghana cedis. So if you don't have that amount, then you need to look for a buyer who has your limit. So when we scroll down, mostly for the merchant or the verified merchants, they have higher limits. Okay, but I think this guy has 500 cedis, so we can try with this one, and let's say buy 500. Let's click on buy, and you can see the minimum here is 500. So we input the minimum 500, and now we are allowed to proceed. Now for this 500 cedis, the crypto amount that we will get is 39 USDT as indicated there. When you are happy with everything, you can now click on buy with zero fee. Now that you have initiated the order, you need to now make payment. So to get the details of the buyer, you simply click on chat right here. Once you click on chat, the buyer will give you instructions on how to go about the payment. So with this one, the buyer says you have to allow cash out on your mobile money. So if you have mobile money, you allow cash out. Make sure that the amount that the buyer will withdraw from your mobile money is exactly this amount, that is the 500 cedis. Once you make the payment, the crypto amount, that is the 39 USDT, will be sent to your Binance wallet immediately. So yes, that is how simple it is to buy USDT using Binance P2P. Thank you so much for watching.